Hello, Salsa with Sylvia families and any family out there who is stuck at home right now and wondering what to do with their kids who are out of school, can't really go to restaurants, you can't really go to playgrounds that much or anywhere where there's a lot of other people or kids. I am in the same situation. I also have two beautiful little girls and we don't know what to do all day long, so I'm trying to create some structure in their lives. So a lot of you have asked for us to offer online classes for kids, and we are doing this. Let's give this a shot. Let's see if those little kids can stay engaged and focus on an online dance lesson. So please check it out. The classes are only $5 per class, and it may help bring a little bit of structure and joy in your kids' lives right now and in your lives, so that you can probably wash the dishes or do some work while they're sitting in front of the computer and learning how to dance or listen to a story or music, and just have fun with our amazing teachers. So go to our website, salsawithsylvia4kids.com, and check out the online learning schedule that we have, and sign up, please. It's gonna support us, it's gonna help the instructors, it's gonna support the studio, so we can all get through this together. Thank you so much.